15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Nakajingdan kajingkano bat kajing mudoi persa ya way Professor Ubadairu Chairman ke School of Crop Protection, College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences, CPG SAS, CAU Imphal Umyam, dakawai ke samla puli PhD, hakatega college, bauteu Professor ula jrongkti, ula let tam bat pendik yaka haka step jongka khatwai teri ujemang arajar arpunrio, ki samla puli kentai bat senrang jongka tega college, kilami ringkat ki plakat ban penlong kajingya ki, bandawa wengkam ya u. Kanong ujor kumbapau hakajimu doi sa ka Women's Organization of Riboy District kala kedau bakala sale ben bun sen dau tei professor ubam dai utrai ri trai muluk la keno bo professor ujupet ngor bahaya ka jingya jingyang jongka ula keli shapang ki kam shimat jongka shabar ki por pulie bat khang ya ka ban ya kran bat ki wei pat ki no hikai khlam do yo jingbet na u kala ong bakini ki jingle ki lakta ya ka jinglat lot ha ka pulie puthi bat kumjo ha ki lat jingya dai bat ka jingrap ha ka liang pulie kalau kena ru bahap pedang ke nyau tarik bat ke sepau tarik unok pra araja arpusan hakanong rimbo un hikai jing hikai yaka hakam rajung u ula jrong kti yaka kadi ke samla puli kalau ong bakini kijing le bon sen kila penlong yaka ban om sngau sngan bat ban sep ting ban ya kendo marway u na ke benta ki kam puli bat kijing menjor ki badai ban yo na office kalau ong ru bahaka khatwai tarik rampang araja arpun riu haba kala lej pan pan cuti na ke benta ke jing sumat u professor ula tim yaka bat keno ru yaka bak suthok bapang Syuk ula ong bawat hadian bakalawan pai new professor ula pan yaki kot chim dawai jongka bat benra bo syam la sha eka ban batai bahaya lade hagajing ujor ka samla puli kala keno ru bo new professor ujukran snew chapang ki wei pat ki no hikai kenthop yo research guide bat ki ko guide jongka haka bakalawan ra jing e haka saudong saukun puli jongka bat lakta ru yaki jing e dai bakar pang haka kam puli hadu menta ompat don kanu ke jubab nau tu professor lani na kaliang ki bor badai pet ya katai ka CAU campus Hakajing ekran bat ki samla puli ketika college kilapan pau bo new professor ujumlien banjrong kti ya ki samla bat hadu menta udang yat bahe klam kanu kajing perwa kumta na kaliang jong kini ki samla kila dawa bari ban weng mardor yau teu professor
We want justice! We want justice! Inkılap! Zindabad! Inkılap! Zindabad! Inkılap! Zindabad! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! We want justice! We want justice! Inkılap! Zindabad! Inkılap! Zindabad! Inkılap! Zindabad! We want justice! We want justice!
Investigation is gone. Sir, तब तक suspension भी तो हो सकता है. Based on the investigation, हो सके this punishment may not be sufficient. Then there will be another order. Once investigation. At the other end, वापस भी तो आ सकते हैं. वो मार देगा. आएगा वो तो. अरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन का तो एक बेस सही है ना. सेक्सुअल हैरासमेंट का केस में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. सर मैंने देखिए सर IIT गुवाहाटी में देखिए एक बात को सस्पेंड करा दिया है हम लोग को मैं क्या बता तो मुझे एक ही दिन में कॉलेज से हमने लेकर जाने का क्या
ये सिर्फ स्टूडेंट के लिए है बस।
बोले थे बोला था कि ज्योति अभी थोड़ा शुभ रहो, नेक्स्ट ये आईसी कमेटी आ रहा है, आईसी कमेटी को मैं अभी वो लोग आएगा
ऐसी कमेटी खुद कर पाएगा।
देखो खुद देखो
सुनो, आईसी कमेटी I came to know on Friday evening when chairman came there, there is a complaint. Then immediately I said, okay, you go for IC committee.
सर, आप लोगों को नहीं पता चला? जो लोग नहीं भी पता है ना, हम लोगों को पता चल गया कि आईसी कमेटी कल आया था, सैटरडे को पूछिए। क्योंकि मेरे को डर लग रहा है वो अपने वो बोल रही है खुद। सैटरडे को CAU, सैटरडे संडे सब चलता है सर।
मिनिस्टर क्या में खुल जाता है।
जब भागीरथ जी आए थे तब संडे को क्या खुल गए?
तब फोटो खिंचाना था। नहीं चलेगी, लीगल नहीं चलेगी।
Tell us for what the reason you are gathered here and we see the oppose and all. Then can you tell us the stories?
So we are the girls of School of Crop Protection, and so incident has been happened against sexual harassment and mental harassment against Professor Pranab Datta, the chairman of a school, and it has been a very dangerous situation for all SCP girls that we are under his chairmanship. And on the Friday, as the dean informed, the circular was released which didn't reach to our SCP community, and the Pranab Datta, the chairman, was roaming inside the campus still in the chairmanship, and he was walking with the attitude that he is still the chairman even after releasing of the circular. And after we have gone, after taking initiative to the dean's room for the complaining that why he was inside the chairman's room, and now they are declaring we are taking this ICC and this. We have no transparency what ICC is doing, nothing we have. We have no what actually is going on, what is going on, nothing we are known about it.
No information was provided for the students. There was no transparency in internal complaint committee. There is no students committee where it in the UGC guideline it is clearly mentioned that there should be students in the committee. So we need justice for every one of us, because everyone have somehow faced that and somehow gone into mental distress also. So we need the justice, and we are fighting for those every one of ourselves.
And we need the immediate termination of the chairman, that is Professor Pranab Datta, and we are not feeling safe in our own campus and the department only, so we need his immediate termination.
And such incidents have already happened in the past, and it may happen in future with anyone. So not only this is not just the fight of SCP girls, it is very dangerous to whole college girls. It can happen with anyone if it has happened with one person. And that incident has history, so we can't trust anymore. Not on the department, not on the chairman, not on the dean, no one, no authority. We need the transparency, we need the justice.
And this matter should not be suppressed under any authorities or pressure. We need our justice. We are fighting for that.
It should not be also suppressed by any external authority, power or political party, anything like that also. And we need justice.
So it means this oppose will continue until you
Yes,
get
yes,
the
yes.
justice.
Until we get the termination.
We demand immediate termination. No delay we need. It started since very long, and we are not getting the justice. So we need it immediate termination.
Okay. So can you tell us exactly when it happened?
Exactly. It started till Thursday because the complaint was registered on Thursday. Friday we got we didn't get the circular actually. We got the verbal that no more in charge is there, but there was no circular that has reached to us, and still the chairman was roaming inside.
So did you report to the police and all this by
Yes, sir.
FIR?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. ka nutrition bakhambha ka jingim bakhambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya